everyone, this is Josie, and she does the eggplants sotto l'olio that I just showed you with the olives. Can you tell them how do you make them?
Well, it's done. We do 24 hours, like you said, 24 hours. And then you just mix it with herbs and then you put them in oil. And you preserve them in jars.
And the melanzani from your garden?
From the farm. We support the farm.
You've got the farm.
Yeah, straight from the farm. Yeah.
So
no, we buy them straight from the farm.
From the farm.
Yeah, we purchase
So they're grown in Griffith?
Yep, and Griffith locally, yeah.
So they're locally grown in Griffith, the eggplants. It was like I had one before, and it was like my nonna and I make them. So it's really, really special, Josie, that you can share this passion with the Griffith people and the people of this festival today, because it's important. That's part of your heritage and my heritage, and it's showing people, it's showing people what we love. Look, they've even got their own salami, Nonna's salami. So come to Griffith next year and book. Make sure you book early and get your tickets and come and see Josie from Nonna's Goods. Ciao.